In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp. We'll walk through creating an email, exploring related tools like landing pages and surveys, and then take a quick tour of your audience, analytics, content, and integrations so you know where everything lives. Start by heading to Mailchimp and signing in. Once you're in, go straight to campaigns. Think of this as your command center for anything you want to send or publish. From here, click Create to start something new. Choose email, because that's the most common campaign type and a great place to learn the basics. Before we build, take a moment to explore what else is available. Click Automations to see journeys and triggered flows that send messages automatically when someone joins your list or takes an action. Then click Website, which is where you can create simple sites or pages that work hand in hand with your emails. From there, open Landing Page. This lets you spin up focused pages for promotions or signups without needing a full site. Next, check out Sign Up Form, which is how you collect email addresses directly into your audience. Click Surveys to see how you can gather feedback and learn more about your subscribers. Then open Ad to explore paid campaigns you can run to reach new people. After that quick tour, return to email so we can build the message for this tutorial. Choose Regular. This is the straightforward, one-time email most people send for newsletters, announcements, and promotions. Give your campaign an internal name so you and your team can track it easily later. If you're following along, you can type your own name for now. Click Begin to move into the design flow. When you see the layout options, pick Basic Layout to keep things clean and flexible. Choose a layout that matches your goal, maybe a single column layout for readability, and then click Apply. You're now in the email builder. On the right, you'll find content blocks. This is where you add elements like text, images, buttons, dividers, and social links. Dragging and dropping blocks makes it easy to structure your message. For example, drag an image block into your layout. Use clear, on-brand visuals, and remember to add alt text so your email is accessible and understandable even if images don't load. Keep your file sizes reasonable to help with deliverability and load times. If you're customizing text, aim for short paragraphs and clear calls to action, and be consistent with your fonts and colors so everything looks cohesive. When you're happy with the structure and content, click Save and Exit. You can come back and edit at any time before sending, and saving regularly helps you avoid losing changes. Head back to your Mailchimp dashboard to continue your tour. Click Automations again from the main navigation to remember where your journeys and triggers live. You'll use this area when you're ready to set up welcome emails or post-purchase follow-ups. Next, click Audience. This is your contact hub. Choose Add Contacts, and you'll see options to import contacts if you have a CSV or want to sync from another platform, or add a single contact if you're just adding someone manually. When importing, make sure your columns map correctly to fields like email address, first name, and any tags you use. Only add people who've given you permission. It keeps your list healthy and compliant. Now open Analytics. This marketing dashboard shows how your emails and other channels are performing at a glance. After you've sent campaigns, this is where you'll monitor opens, clicks, and trends so you can refine your content and timing. Click Content to visit your library. This is where images, files, and saved templates live. Organize assets into folders and name files clearly so your team can find the right versions quickly. Reusing consistent headers, footers, and brand elements saves time and keeps your emails on brand. Finally, click Integrations. This is where you connect Mailchimp to tools you already use, like your store, forms, or scheduling apps, so data flows in automatically. Integrations help you trigger smarter emails and keep your audience up to date without manual work. And that's your quick, practical tour. You created the foundation of a regular email, saw where automation, landing pages, forms, surveys, and ads fit in, and learned where to manage your audience, track performance, organize content, and connect your stack.